गुड मर्निङ नानी हो क्लास 12 तिमीहरूको प्राय सबै नै सिलेबस मैले कम्प्लिट गरिसके र आशा गर्छु तिमीहरूले युट्युबबाट हेर्दैछौ। अब म तिमीहरूलाई अब्जेक्टिभ क्वेशन सल्भ गरेर दिँदैछु। यो तिमीहरूको निम्ति इम्पोर्टेन्ट हुन्छ। यो 2015 को अब्जेक्टिभ क्वेशन हो र यहाँ 2 नम्बर देखिन्छ। म तिमीहरूलाई पढेर सुनाउँछु। मैले यो सेलेक्ट गरिरहेको छु आन्सर। अनि फर्स्ट नम्बर को चाहिँ म पढेर सुनाउँदैछु। यसमा छ तिमीहरूको पार्ट बी बाट 21 मार्क्स को क्वेशन 1 × 21 = 21। ओके, यसमा छ सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट आन्सर, ऑल क्वेशन्स आर कम्पलसरी। यसमा 21 वटा प्रश्न हुन्छ अनि 21 वटा नै के हुन्छ, कम्पलसरी हुन्छ। जस्तो नम्बर 1 मा छ द ड्रेनेज पैटर्न फर्म्ड अन द स्टीप स्लोप अफ अ प्लेटू इज टर्म्ड एज, चारवटा अप्सन दिएको छ, त्यसमा एउटा हो एनुलर ड्रेनेज पैटर्न। ओके, एन्ड फ्रम नम्बर 2 I'll read out, just you jot down and पढ्न सुरु गर। ओके, the tropical cyclone which is known as hurricane originates from Caribbean Sea। चारवटा अप्सन छ तर म तिमीहरूलाई कुन मात्र रिड आउट गर्दैछु, जुन चाहिँ करेक्ट छ त्यो मात्र रिड आउट गर्दैछु। नम्बर 2 एन एक्जाम्पल अफ क्वाजी नेचुरल hazard is flood created by water released from dam। ओके, नम्बर 4 an example of primary economic activity is collection of wood। Number 5 the most suitable place for the location of weaving of cotton clothes industry is proximity to the market। मार्केट को छेउमा भयो भने राम्रो हैन। the least cost theory of industrial location was propounded by Weber। the chemical reaction between limestone and the rainwater is from carbonic acid is known as carbonation। okay, that is known as carbonation। next is in India migration reached its maximum from rural area to urban area। a small and isolated rural settlement is called hamlet। the answer is hamlet। okay, the next question is one of the major indicators of economic development is gross domestic product। okay, what is that? That is gross domestic product। then the next is Haldia Industrial Center is located at the confluence of Hooghly and Haldia river। okay, the next the offshore bar that connects the coast with one or more island is called tombolo। an example of zonal soil is Port Zone। and the next question is out of the following gases one is not a greenhouse gas and that is O2। the place in India considered as biodiversity hotspot is tropical rainforest of the Western Ghat। tropical rainforest of the Western Ghat। the agricultural system in which the millets are produced is known as conventional farming। the material index of weight losing raw materials is less than 1। okay, then the next question is as per definition of the census of India the minimum population size of an urban area is 5,000। the Panama Canal connects Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean। An example of planning region of India is Damodar Valley project. Okay. Then number 2 question. This is number 1, and number 2 question is answer the following question. Alternative are given 14 into 1. अर्थात 14 मार्क्स को प्रश्न हुन्छ, एक मार्क्स को गरेर आन्सर दिनु पर्यो। यो सर्ट क्वेशन आन्सर टाइप हो र यसमा छ तिम्रो प्रश्न छ व्हाट इज द सिग्निफिकेन्स अफ OPEC, OPEC. OPEC is the abbreviation form of Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, which controls oil price. Okay. Number 2, from which region iron ore is procured for Bhilai Iron and Steel Plant? The Bhilai Steel Plant procure iron ore from the Dalia Rajhara mines in the Durga district of Chhattisgarh. और यदि त्यो सकेन भने अर्को प्रश्न छ for which type of industry Bengaluru is famous? Bengaluru is famous for the electronic industry. Okay. At which stage the Damodar transition zero population growth is achieved? The zero population growth is achieved in the 4th stage of demographic transition. Okay. The question was at which stage of demographic transition zero population growth is achieved. So the answer is zero population growth is achieved in the 4th stage of demographic transition. Okay. The next question, define man-land ratio. Man-land ratio may be defined as the ratio between the total number of person of a country and the total functionable land of that country. The next question, how would you designate conservation of biodiversity in its own physical environment? The answer is the convention of biodiversity is in its own physical environment is designated as in situ conservation. What are the ancillary group of industries? Ancillary group of industries are small scale industries that supply parts and components to be used by other large industries. What is El Nino? यो सधैँ आइबस्छ, यो प्रश्न याद गर्नुपर्छ। El Nino is warm ocean current that appears near the coast of Peru and Ecuador during Christmas time after every 7 to 10 years. 7 र 10 वर्षको अन्तरालमा आउँछ। Which wind is responsible for dry summer in the Mediterranean region? The trade winds are responsible for dry summer in Mediterranean. What is regolith? Regolith is the first product of weathering. It is the first formed soil. Okay. So this is your long question, short question. कुन चाहिँ वर्षको यो 2015 को हो। त त्यसरी नै यसको लङ क्वेशन पनि 35 मार्क्स को जुन चाहिँ छ त्यो पनि म तिमीहरुलाई विस्तारै दिँदै जान्छु र यो प्रश्न उत्तरहरु तिमीहरुले के गर्छौ खातामा सार्छौ अनि याद गर्ने गर्छौ। बिस्तारै बिस्तारै म अरु पनि तिमीहरुलाई के दिन्छु अरु पनि प्रश्नको उत्तरहरु दिन्छु।